Welcome back to my channel. Let's start with an update. China has unveiled a new infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, that appears to be inspired by Western designs. The vehicle, which was first seen in public at a military parade in October 2023, is similar in appearance to the US Army's Bradley IFV and the German Army's Puma IFV. It is believed that the new IFV could be deployed near the Indian border, just like its predecessor, the Type 04 IFV. The new IFV is armed with a 30mm cannon and a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun. It is also equipped with anti-tank missiles and a smoke grenade launcher. The vehicle is designed to transport up to 11 infantrymen and can provide them with protection from small arms fire and shrapnel. It is not yet clear whether the new IFV will be deployed in large numbers near the Indian border. However, the Chinese military has a long history of deploying armored vehicles in this area. In 2020, China deployed Type 15 tanks near the Indian border, which sparked tensions between the two countries. The deployment of the new IFV near the Indian border could be seen as a sign of China's growing military strength. It could also be a way for China to deter India from making further incursions into Chinese-held territory. The Indian military has been closely monitoring the development of China's new IFV. In response, India has been upgrading its own armored vehicles and acquiring new weapons systems. India has also been strengthening its border defenses in recent years. The tensions between China and India are likely to remain high in the years to come. The deployment of the new IFV near the Indian border is just one of the many factors that could contribute to an escalation of tensions between the two countries.